biggest thing for us throughout the rest of the league tournament, once we lost game one, was understanding that we were up against it. One more loss and we're bounced. But understanding that the RPI was the only team that could beat RPI. That's what I told our hitters, and they truly believed that. We went out, we played clean defensively, we pitched, we threw strikes, we made the plays when we had to, and we cashed in and got scored the runs when we needed to, which really helped us out, especially in the first game against RIT on Saturday. We kept extending the lead, which was good because they kept charging back. Offensively, they're a pretty good club, so the fact that we were able to keep extending the lead Saturday was huge for us.
Strangely, I think that losing that first game may have been the best thing that could happen to our team. Throughout the course of this year, we've played really, really well when our backs were up against it. Essentially when we had to take care of business, we did just that. We took care of business. So really, I really do believe that losing that first game, although it kind of put us behind the eight ball, I think that gave us a little extra push to really get us going throughout the tournament.
I think getting that momentum going into the regional tournament, winning those 4 games, showing our heart in the Liberty League tournament, especially hosting it, really proves, to what kind of baseball team we are. And I think we're going to continue to show our school, what kind of team we are moving into the regional tournament.
We wanted to redeem ourselves from last year because we knew that we were a really good team last year, and we definitely didn't accomplish our goals. But once we went down in that first game, we still had the confidence in each other, and we all believe in each other, no matter what, like starters, guys off the bench, that we knew that we were the best team in this conference and that no one would be able to stop our hitting, our pitching, and that we were the only team that was going to beat ourselves, and we were the best ones out there.
I think our seniors and our upperclassmen have really set the bar as to how to go about their business the right way. It's really carried over to our juniors, our sophomores, our freshmen. And the culture that our seniors have created this year has really gotten us to the point that we're at now. So the fact that they're able to show up every day and they want to fly around and have some fun really carries over, and special things happen when that happens.
I think definitely having some senior leadership helps out a lot. Not even senior leadership in general. You don't have to be a senior to be a leader. People, anywhere from a freshman to a senior, are main contributors to this team. And when I say main contributor, whether that be, in the, at the box, on the mound, in the field, or on the bench, supporting us, we all came together, and that's why we did what we did, this postseason.
I think our senior leadership is exceptional. And a lot of it stems from our team last year. Those seniors really kind of bit the bullet, and they put in a lot invested into us, and we haven't forgotten that. And our seniors this year have really done an excellent job, especially with Sean Conroy and Jared Jensen just leading this team. And I mean, our pitching staff, our starters are great. Our bullpen has been really good the last few weeks, and our offense has really been pretty solid all year and really starting to glue as a team. So
making sure that we're not trying to do too much offensively, we're just trying to get on base, create scoring opportunities for everybody, and then every inning it's a different guy who's going to come up and cash those runners in. And then same thing defensively and on the bump. We just want to throw strikes. We want to make sure that we're sticking our noses on baseballs and making the plays so that we're going to be in the game for all 9 innings and hopefully have a chance to win it at the end.
Playing those big games, it's always fun, and it's going to be a good thing for the freshmen and sophomores to experience too, I think.
It's a beautiful field, beautiful stadium. I was just actually talking to the guys in the dugout about how I remember, like it was yesterday, stepping off the bus and getting on Falcon Park and practicing, and it's a beautiful field. But Keystone, we're playing Keystone, yeah, we're just really looking forward to it. Hopefully, I think losing the first one in conference might have helped us, but I would really like to win that first one on Wednesday. So
it is a very large field, huge dimensions. It is a gorgeous field. Honestly, a field's a field, and baseball is baseball. So wherever you play, we're gonna do us, and that's it.